Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege, no audio or sound not working. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to sound settings, and here you need to make sure that you're using the right output, your headphones or your sound set, and also there is plenty of audio here. Simple thing with your microphone, you're using the right microphone here, and there is a good piece of sound here. And then what you need to do here is to go to all sound devices here, or not all sound devices. You need to go to more sound settings, and then select playback, select your default one, go to properties, make sure that levels are good here, go to advanced, make sure that you select this one or the biggest amount, it's up to you. And then make sure that these two options are selected, allow applications to take exclusive control and give exclusive mode applications priority, and also enable audio enhancements. And then on recording, make sure that levels are good as well here, and also there is the best amount of hertz here, and these two options are selected. And if this doesn't work, what you need to do here next is to go to volume mixer, make sure that these are your devices here, good volume here, and also run Rainbow Six Siege. And when you run the Rainbow Six Siege here, make sure that it has a lot of sound, and also make sure that this button on your game is not muted here, right? Or you can simply just reset sound devices and all volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults here. Just press reset, and if your game is on mute, it will be probably unmuted, right? And if this doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do here, you can go to device manager, and then you need to go to audio inputs and outputs, and just update all your audio inputs and outputs drivers here. Just putting the right click, then update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.